I'm trying out this NEORON Brain Booster energy drink for the very first time, and it has a lot of health facts, but what I like that it doesn't have a lot of is the ingredients. So the ingredient list, I think there's like less than 10 things here. I'll have it on screen what it is, but it's pretty minimal. I'll compare this to a bunch of other energy drinks that are out on the market. So you can see the nutrition facts on this one, and then you can see the nutrition facts on, the other ones that are out there. When I'm looking at the front, it is 0 sugar and it is natural. That's the thing that it's really marketing, and it's supposed to promote neural wellness, supporting memory, and help maintaining focus. We have more specs right here. 420 milligrams of guarana extracts. I don't know what that is, but it's a 1 cup of coffee equivalent, and it helps maintain focus. And then you have 106 milligrams of Bacopa Monnieri, which supports memory. And then you have 85 milligrams of L-Theanine amino acid, which is supposed to boost your mood. You got a B12 vitamin, and it promotes brain health. All of those sound pretty good to me. The one big thing about health is the taste. Sometimes that's a trade-off. We're gonna pop this open, and we're going to see how it tastes. Smells very ginger ale-y. Wow, what flavor is this? I know they have multiple flavors. This one is a passion fruit lime. I can taste the passion fruit, not too much of the lime. So if you're a limey person, I would say that there is like little to no lime taste in here. Definitely got like a hint of ginger ale in the back. I like the taste of it. You can pick up a pack off of Amazon. I'll have it in the description below, the like button. I think taste-wise it's good, and it's supposed to be like a coffee energy drink equivalent without the bad stuff, and instead have good stuff. So let me know what you think of drinks like these, or if you have any you prefer in the comments below.